Do you know that Nigerian law prosecutes harmful spiritual practices, whether voodoo, juju, or even prayers in mainstream religions that wish for someone's downfall? Let's break this down in a few minutes. Nigeria is a deeply religious country with Christianity, Islam, and traditional practices. Spirituality is woven into everyday life, but when faith is used to harm others, whether through juju rituals or prayer for destruction, the law can step in. The 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended in Section 38, guarantees the right to freedom of thought, conscience, religion, including the freedom to change one's religion or belief, and to manifest and propagate it in worship, teaching, practice, and observance. Yet, the criminal code contains a whole lot on witchcraft, juju, and criminal charms. For instance, Section 207 prohibits unlawful and unpleasant use of juju or charms, while Section 208 criminalizes directing or participating in unlawful ordeals. Section 210 makes it an offense to represent oneself as a witch, accuse others of witchcraft, or possess juju intended to harm or intimidate. And Section 213 outlaws criminal charms, including those used to defraud or cause fear. From all indication, these laws are meant to prevent false accusation and jungle justice, as the case may be. Taking into account the court case between Clement Iwuanyanwu versus the state in 1964, the accused killed another man, claiming he was protecting himself from the diseased juju, a juju threat which was never substantiated. The court ruled that the belief in supernatural threat did not excuse murder. Even today, prosecution continues. For instance, in 2025, some native doctors in Anambra State were charged with preparing charms for criminals and participating in money rituals. Their trial highlights how the law still actively pursues individuals who exploit spiritual practices for crime. However, prosecuting juju-related crimes is not straightforward. The court often face difficulties because witchcraft and spiritual harms are hard to prove without confession, and cultural beliefs can blur the line between tradition and crime. Despite these challenges, Nigerian law remains clear. When spiritual practices are used to harm others, they are treated as criminal offenses. So, to wrap it up, Nigerian law respects cultural traditions but draws a firm line when spiritual practices are used for negative purposes or prayer for someone's downfall. Cases like Iwuanyanwu versus the state show that belief in the supernatural is not an excuse for crime. If you find this video insightful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on religion and society. Thanks for watching. See you next time.